build a dashboard for marketing, for marketing, for marketing. I can build a dashboard for marketing, for marketing, for marketing.
B2C, B2B, hands-on with tools and behind the scenes. I'm inside, so some folks call me admin. I don't sit at tables, I sign the seats. I can show you how to build a workflow. I can help you update contact records. I can help your sales team crush their goals. And I can show you how to leverage data better. I can train your teams on the CRM. I can scale a process without failing them. I got more certs than Kyle Jepson, and I know the systems outside and in. Me in this role is a unicorn. Me in this role could write a couple books, so please just let me cook. I can do everything for your org, cause look,
I can build reporting for your KPIs, your KPIs, your KPIs. And I can make sure processes are optimized, are optimized, are optimized.
B2C, B2B, did we forget the human beings inside? And AI is useful, but I ain't scared of ghosts in these machines. I give visibility to the C-suite. I build with agility and keep you lean. I can design a go-to-market engine, add nitrous to your revenue streams. I can help sales teams drive adoption. I can thrive anywhere despite chaotic conditions. I know that I run the business, cause I'm the one that calling to fix the problems. Builder, trainer, and producer. Me and my role really is the future. I pull the strings that control the system. I can do more than my job description. Yo, look.
I can tell the story of the revenue.